What's up everybody, it's Luke here, and today I've got a new drone mission that I want you all to accompany me on. In fact, the girls are out at the pool and Ava would like her goggles. So we're gonna take Ava's goggles and our Mavic Air 2, our special fishing line bungee cord magnet combo with a hook that's gonna be on the end. We're gonna get this thing all rigged up and hopefully deliver it to her successfully at the pool so I don't have to walk over there. Here I have my bungee magnet clip assembly, and I'm gonna go ahead and clip this onto the goggle band, but not all the way, so that way Ava can get it off easily. Next, I wanna lay the fishing line out nicely behind the drone, that way it doesn't get caught in the props, and we're ready for takeoff. The Mavic 2 flies easily, and it seems to handle payload well. In fact, these goggles aren't much of an effort whatsoever. Whenever delivering something with a drone, make sure that there's a breakaway mechanism, some type of a drop mechanism, or you prep the receiving end so that they know how to not pull down on the drone. The girls are always great sports with these experiments, and of course Ava does a great job unhooking the goggles. The mission is a success. Feels good to have completed another important, successful mission. Alright, so as you can see, the Mavic Air 2 performs spectacularly in terms of carrying that payload. Now, I've got a little surprise for the next mission. I got one of these foldable LED landing gears from Amazon that also has a dropper unit with a servo motor on it. So we're gonna check this thing out and we're gonna do some new drops for mission number 3. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.